Hey everyone, Hugh from the future. Just wanted to apologise that there hasn't been regular videos up until now. The whole family came down with allergy and it's just been a nightmare. So I'm going to try and get back on it and release as much content as I can up until Christmas. Other than that, let's get back on with the video. Oh, welcome back my DIY nomads. I hope you're doing really well today. Very sorry I couldn't keep up with the Vlogmas schedule. I had friend's wedding, campervan handover, family things, and they are priority to me over this, so I am sorry, but I will try to release as much content as I can up until Christmas anyway. Today I wanted to talk about my induction hob, and now that it's hit winter, I think I might have massively overestimated, well, just having an induction cooker in my van. In the summer it's fine because I don't cook for very long, but then the solar tops the battery back up so rapidly it's you know, feasible. Now my plan is to reintroduce another form of cooking into my van. I was looking to go gas. I don't like the idea of having gas canisters on board, but for cooking and stuff like that I can have a very small camping gas, sort of 904 or 907 cylinder, and you know, hide it away at the back of the van. Then I don't know, I feel a bit better about that. Now I've literally just had this thing collecting dust. This was basically what I was going to use years ago in one of my very original designs. I liked it because it had dual hob, but then also it had an actual grill, which is awesome. Other options I also keep in my van is like this little tiny pack-away alcohol stove, just as like a super emergency level backup, and it folds down really nice and small, which is great, so I can just hide it away. And then I have a bottle of the alcohol that goes along with it. And also stowed away in the camper van I have one of those sort of like portable camping stove things that has the little sort of gas canister cans, and I've just got 2 cans of that ready to sort of go. So I have a few backups, which is really nice, but really maybe if I took away these other sort of backup options and installed that gas thing with the proper system, the tank sort of gas locker at the back, then I wouldn't be consuming that much extra space, storage space in here anyway, and then I'd also have a built-in dual hob, which would be nice. So this is the setup. I've got 2 a pot and a frying pan, got some water in both. They are stone cold. Sorry guys, I'm just going to start the experiment again. I basically by accident put both on at the same time, and then because this is 3100 watts it just tripped everything. So let's go with the small. Let's take that down to 4. Sorry, 4. So they're using 1.2 kilowatts, and we're using just shy of 100 amps, so very power hungry obviously. Alright everyone, we're 7 minutes in. I've just taken the lid off this. We have boiling water, so let's take this all the way down to 2. Now because the induction is actually up to temperature now, I've turned it down. We're only sapping 4 amps, but we have used 18.6 amp hours already, which is pretty insane. So let's get the other one heated up. Right, we've just dropped sub 12 volts. We're using 140 amps, 1.7 kilowatts, and there goes our amp hours going up. That's how much we consumed, so you can see it goes up very quickly. I've only had this on for a couple minutes though, and the water in here is already starting to bubble and steam, so in fact we could probably actually take that down to 2. Right guys, so there's the test results. You can see what I mean. Definitely, you know, okay for maybe some campervan setups, but what we do is we use it when we're on hookup at a campsite, because then we have unlimited power and we can just get away with doing that. Now I do know some actual van lifers, camper van vloggers and all that sort of stuff, they do run induction and they've got a system that it works. I mean, technically mine does work. I mean, I'd still be able to cook for 2 hours. I'm never going to cook for 2 hours in here. We generally cook quite quick and simple meals, probably cooking for like 15 minutes on average, but it's still too power hungry to do that like every day over a week while being off grid. Other than that, I'll catch you DIY nomads next time.